Hello students, today we will do the same topic which we have done in previous lecture. We are doing the chapter number 6, that is application of derivative, right? And we are continuing with the topic the rate of change of quantities. So today we will do the exercise 6.1 from this same topic. So let us do this exercise 6.1, right? Okay, the exercise 6.1 question number 1 is find the rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to its radius when first part r is equal to 3 centimeter and second part when r is equal to 4 centimeter. So let us solve it. So as you know, the area of circle is pi r square. Now differentiate both sides with respect to r radius. So this becomes dA upon dr, dA upon dr, it is equal to 2 pi r, right? So first part is when radius r is equal to 3 centimeter, the value of dA upon dr, it is equal to 2 pi into r is 3, so its answer is 6 pi. So what is the unit of this? It is a centimeter square per centimeter. As you know, it is rate of change of area with respect to radius. So this is the first part. Now second part is when radius r is equal to 4 centimeter, then dA upon dr, it is equal to 2 pi into 4. So its answer is 8 pi and its unit is same, that is centimeter square per centimeter. So this is the right answer. Now let us do another question. The question number 2. The volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? Right? So let us solve this question. Question is volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. So it is given that what is given? dV over dt is given. Its value is 8 and its unit is centimeter cube per second. Right? Now, as you know, the volume of cube is x cube, where x is the length of edge of cube. So let us differentiate both sides with respect to x, with respect to t, time t. So we get dv over dt, it is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Now it is given that the value of dv by dt is 8 centimeter cube per second. So put this value, we get 8 is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. So from this we have dx by dt, it is equal to 8 upon 3x square, right? Now, as you know, the surface area of cube, total surface area of cube is what? It is 6x square, right? Now again differentiate with respect to t, time t. So we have ds over dt, it is equal to, when you differentiate it, you will get 12x into dx over dt. Now this value dx over dt, put this value in this dx by dt, you will get ds over dt, it is equal to 12x into 8 upon 3x square. 1x is cancelled out and 3 is cancelled out, you will get 32 upon x, right? Now it is given in the question that the length of edge is 12 centimeter. So when x is equal to 12 centimeter, then the rate of change of surface area with respect to t, it is equal to 32 by 12. So by simplifying, you will get, this is 8 by 3. So its answer is 8 by 3 centimeters square per second. So this is the rate of increase of surface area with respect to t, right? Now let us do next one more question. Let us take one more question, that is question number 6. Question number 6, right? So question number 6 is, the radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? So it is given. So let us solve this question. So radius of the circle is increasing. It means it is given that dr by dt, it is 0.7 centimeter per second. It is given. Means you have to find the rate of increase of circumference. So as you know, the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, right? Now differentiate both sides with respect to time t, right? So we get dc over dt, that is rate of change of circumference with respect to t time, which is equal to 2 pi into dr over dt, right? Now it is given, dr by dt is given, so put this value, we get dc over dt, it is equal to 2 pi into 0.7. So it is equal to 1.4 pi, 1.4 pi, and its unit is centimeter per second, right? As you know, the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, so the rate of increase of its circumference is 1.4 pi centimeter per second, right? Now let us do one more question. we are doing one more question. Let us take one question number 10 from the same exercise. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height of the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? So let us solve this question. So I am drawing this firstly diagram. Let this is a wall. Let this is a wall, right? And this is the ground level. Let this is the ladder leaning against the wall. This AB is the wall, right? And this is the ladder. AC is the ladder, and its value is its length is 5 meter, right? Length of the ladder is 5 meter. So when you pulled it along the ground away from the wall, means this side. So when you pulled, this is shifted towards that side, right? So let it be the point D. So let this is X. Let this is X, this is Y. So according to question, the ladder is pulled along the ground at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. So what is given? We have dx by dt is given, right? Because we have to pull this from bottom, means this x changes. This x changes 2 centimeter per second. And what will we find here? We have to find dy over dt. dy over dt. This is question mark. dy over dt means how fast is the height is decreasing. How fast is height is decreasing means you have to find a dy over dt, right? So let us solve it. As you know, in this triangle x square, in the triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square is equal to 25. As you know, this is the Pythagoras theorem, right? Now differentiate with respect to t, right? So we have 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy over dt. It is equal to 0 because the derivative of constant is 0. 2 is common and it is cancelled out, so we have x into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt. It is equal to 0. And it is also given that the value, this value 4 meter away from the wall, this x is given. It means x is given to you, that is 4 meter. So according to Pythagoras theorem, the value of y is how much? 3 meter, right? So a value of x is 4 meter. This is given, and from this equation we have value of y. So put all the values, all three values here. The value of x 4, the value of y is 3, and the value of dx is 2. In this equation we have x means 4, dx by dt means 2, plus y means 3, and dy by dt you have to find it, right? So from this we have dy over dt, it is equal to minus 8 by 3, and its unit is, what is the unit of this rate? That is d centimeter per second, right? Now, so its answer, therefore the height on the wall, height of ladder, height on the wall is decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter per second. So this is the right answer, right? So let us do one more question here. The question number 13 of this same exercise 6.1. The question number 13 is, a balloon which always remains spherical has variable diameter 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of volume with respect to x. Right? So let us solve it. It is given. What is given here? Diameter is given. Diameter is 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. Right? So what is the radius of the sphere? Half of the diameter. So this becomes 3 by 4 2x plus 1. Right? Now we have to find the rate of change of volume. So as you know, the volume of sphere, it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now put this value of r in this equation. We have v is equal to 4 by 3. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi. R is 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Right? So let us simplify firstly. We have 4 by 3 pi. When we simplify this, we get 27 over 64 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Right? So this 3 is cancelled. This is 9. This 4 is cancelled. This is 16. And this we get 9 by 16 pi 2x plus 1 whole cube. So this is the value of v. Now differentiate, because we have to differentiate it with respect to x, because we have to find the rate of change of volume with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x here. So we have a dv over dx, it is equal to 9 by 16 pi, it is constant. So what is the derivative of this? This is 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square into derivative of 2x plus 1, that is 2. So this is cancelled, 2 is cancelled with 16, that is 9 by a means this is 8. So it is 27 over 8 pi. This is 9th is the 27 over 8 pi into 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is the right answer. This is units. Right? So this is the rate of change of volume with respect to x. Its answer is 27 by 8 pi 2x plus 1 whole square. Right? So